Hello, welcome to Weathertainment 2.0. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Before we get to the temp trend, I want to remind you that you get three things here: accurate forecast, educational component, and something to make you smile. And the educational component is going to come in big time this time. Meanwhile, you like the tie? A friend of mine sold it to me at a yard sale yesterday. It's one of my favorites already. The gals like my ties, and this is going to become a new favorite of mine. Meanwhile, the temp trend. 76 forecast high for today, 82 for tomorrow and Saturday, 84 for Sunday, 85 for Monday. So that's going to make our weather headlines, the temperatures. Meanwhile, I want to encourage you to follow me on Twitter at jmatthews_WUTR, at jmatthews_WUTR. It's a way that I can communicate with you quickly to tell you about things like severe weather, things that may come up very quickly that I don't have a lot of time to spend on it, but I can get the information out to you fast. A Friday afternoon storm is a possibility. I'd say about a 1 in 3 shot. Meanwhile, the temps headline for the weekend: warm temps. And I encourage you, get out and enjoy the meteor shower tonight, please. This is going to be one of the last peak nights. The skies are going to cooperate. You want to get out after midnight. You can find out more on my astronomy page. Now, the showers yesterday afternoon that formed mostly on the hilltops, the higher elevations, they dissipated last night. You might see a few more around Saranac Lake or the Adirondacks this afternoon, but for the rest of us, just fair weather clouds. But it's a phenomenon that as the storm passes away, it takes the rain with it, but the moisture behind it wraps around, and you get these instability popcorn showers popping up, and the effect diminishes the further away you get from the system. But our terrain also plays an effect on the situation. I'm going to explain this to you graphically. You're going to like this. Take that map, turn it on its side, three-dimensionally, okay? At night, the air cools down, it gets heavier, and sinks down the mountainside into the valley, so it's cool down there. In the daytime, it has longer to travel as it warms up to get above the mountaintop, because this is convective showers that form, these popcorn showers in the warm season. It has longer to travel to get to the condensation level to form these showers than on the hilltops, which are already maybe half the distance to getting to where it needs to form these showers. So you typically will get these behind the wake of a storm on the hilltops and not so much in the valley, which has a much greater distance for the air to have to travel for the convection to form. And so that's why the valley was more or less absent from shower activity, whereas the hilltops saw them scattered throughout New York State. But the drier air is filtering in for a delightful looking day today. There is a cold front off the map that's going to move in for Friday, could bring out a thunder shower. But meanwhile, great looking sky today and tonight, coolish and low humidity. And you can see not a whole lot of blue behind the storm, just the white indicating these are very low moisture areas, just puffies forming maybe an Adirondack shower. Meanwhile, today, here's your almanac. We averaged 79 and 58. Yesterday we came in 76 and 60. Pretty close, especially on the low side, and we had a trace in the rain gauge. Your forecast in just a minute.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Your Thirsty Thursday forecast looking like a great one today. Low humidity, west breeze, mostly sunny, near seasonable at 76. Tonight, you got to get out and check out the meteors. You got to. Mostly clear and cool. The best time is after midnight. Doesn't matter what direction you look in. A low around 54. Partly sunny for Friday. Small chance of an afternoon storm. Warm with a high of 82. And as we go through the upcoming weekend, it warms up into the middle 80s. And it turns breezy on Monday. The next chance for rain, if we get something Friday afternoon, would be Tuesday afternoon and evening. That's your 7-day forecast. I hope you get the popcorn showers, and I made you smile. And, of course, we hope it's accurate as well. We'll see you again next time. Make it a great day.